Instagram using the hashtag Veggie Fam. Don't forget to let me know what. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Rose. If this is your first time here, hello. Thank you for stopping by and welcome. The Veggie Fam welcomes you. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever a new video goes up. I post a video once a week, Wednesdays, and sometimes it gets pushed to Thursdays because, I mean, sometimes it just happens, right? But anywho, yeah, once a week. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious recipe that is actually from my Christmas cookbook. And which is, shameless plug, here we go, ready, it is 20% off at the moment, and even though it is a Christmas cookbook, there is a bunch of recipes that you can make throughout the rest of the year, not just in Christmas time, and this is one of those recipes. I'll link the cookbook down below. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, don't forget to check it out because that's where I keep you guys in the loop all the time. I actually released the date for my new cookbook, which is June 3rd, and that's when that's where I let you guys know on Instagram. That's where I'm the most active. So if you guys want to stay up to date with all the current things that's going on with the Theveggierose channel and with Veggie Fam and all that good stuff, don't forget to follow me on there. So today we're gonna be making some vegan deviled eggs, which is basically deviled potatoes. Deviled potatoes. So anywho, let's get veggie. Alright guys, so let's get started, and as usual I will link the recipe down below. We have some potatoes that have already been boiled to fork tenderness until they were fork tender, and all I did was actually cut them in half before I threw them in the water to boil. I salted the water and then, like I said, made sure that they were fork tender, and that's when you know they're ready. I also have a potato and a half aside that I actually peeled and boiled along with the rest of the non-peeled potatoes. You can peel them, of course, if you want to, but my personal preference, I'd rather keep the skin on. Of course, if this is something that worries you, you might want to get the organic ones if you're gonna do skin on. So, anywho, this is a super duper, super simple recipe. All we're gonna do is take our potato that we like the extra potato that we had, and we're gonna mash that up. And also, super fast, see, that's already mashed up. But also, what you want to do is take a melon peeler. There's a big side, a little side. You basically want to use your judgment. I think I'm gonna use the smaller side for these because these potatoes are pretty small. Some potatoes are a little bigger, so you use the bigger melon side. And you're just gonna scoop a little circle out of the center, just like if it was like an egg and it has like the little yolk center. So we're gonna scoop that center out just like that. You're gonna do this with every single one of these guys, and this is a really simple recipe, and this is one of those recipes that you make and you're like, oh my goodness, how am I gonna contain myself from not eating the whole thing, because it's so good. Also, I'm using some vegan mayo, and I haven't been able to find just mayo anywhere. Do you guys know what's going on with just mayo? Because I mean, I can't find it anywhere. What is going on? I haven't done my research. I haven't looked it up or anything. You guys are my research. I'm asking you guys because maybe one of you guys know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. So anywho, we're gonna continue, or now that we have our little centers here out, we're gonna mash these guys up too. And I just realized I have a way too small of a bowl to work with here. Duh, right? Duh. Alright, so we're just gonna mash these guys up. Who said it's guys, right? Why can't it be girls? Mash these girls up. Alright. And next, we're gonna add in the goods. We have some paprika. We have some fresh chopped parsley, and also some mustard. I usually use yellow mustard for this. However, I'm using some Dijon right now because I don't know what happened to my yellow mustard. Actually, no. Now that I think about it, we did like a little barbecue the other day, a couple weekends ago, and I guess it got lost in that whole, situation. So anywho, I'm doing 1/4 of a cup, and yes, I am eyeballing this. Alright, so I just added some turmeric in there, which I forgot to mention to you guys. So we have also some turmeric in there to make our little deviled eggs yellow, or little deviled egg mixture yellow. And we're just gonna mix this all up. That's really all there is to it. You mix it all up. I like to make it really like mashed. I don't like to have chunks in this mixture. You can taste it and add some salt and pepper if you like. I don't want to add any salt. Maybe a little tiny smidge. And then we're gonna put this into one of these little pastry bags or little piping bags. Just like that. All right. Now that we have this in our piping bag, I just twisted the little piping bag so you can get these in here. And then we're just gonna squeeze and fill away. Just like that. And that's really all there is to it. Alright, just keep going until it's all filled. These are so yummy. I've actually made these for Christmas parties and they've been a hit. There we go. If you want it to taste kind of like eggy, like have an actual like eggy taste, you can do some black salt into the mixture instead of like any regular salt, and that'll give you that kind of like eggy taste. And there you have it. There is the deviled eggs or deviled potatoes and whatever is left in your bag. If you have any left, you could just eat it. Next, as you would with regular deviled eggs, you would just sprinkle on a little bit of what is this called? Paprika over top. And there you have it. Voila! Some delicious potato deviled eggs. And of course, it's taste test time, so I'm going in for one. Alright. Who is gonna get eaten today? This guy. This guy looks good. Here we go. I can eat this whole bowl. I can really eat this whole bowl. Yep, and then you can do that. You got extra left, pipe it on there, and in it goes. So that's it. There you have it. Short and sweet. Super easy to make. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe using the hashtag Veggie Fam, or if you make any other recipes on my channel. I would love to see what you made. I would love to know what you think about it. Also, I love you guys. That's it. I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. I feel like, I don't know where I was going with the don't forget thing, but anywho, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, share it, all that good stuff, whatever floats your boat. I will talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.